Have you always wanted to be able to do what you want with your money? Or maybe you want to try taking charge of your life and making money online? Are you looking for a way to make money online that doesn't cost a lot of money or take a lot of skill? You might want to think about making a lot of money without doing anything at all. Then you're in luck, because the author of this great book, who now owns a seven-figure online business and has a lot of business experience, shares his success with anyone who wants to create and achieve their own model of success. Especially for people who can't let other people control their lives and jobs. You don't have to change to fit in with the work world. Better learn how to fit into the world of work. In the end, it's your life, your job, and your game. This so-called online business Bible has 4 of the best online businesses that have been proven to work for the most profitable online businesses you can choose from today. You will learn about these business models in a very useful way. This guide will help you from the time you have an idea to the time you sell your first product and improve your offer. Newcomers lose time, money, and nerves when they run into problems, but with this guidebook, you'll be able to get past these problems in no time. Here's a sneak peek at what's inside. The first book is about Amazon FBA and the best step-by-step way to set up your account, as well as a clever way to start the Amazon ads algorithm and get a lot more exposure for your business. You can start selling right away with these 10 goods. When you list your product on Amazon, you need to think about these 4 things to make it stand out from the crowd. Bonus chapter: how to easily set up an account with UK AMS ads that will help your business grow in other countries. Book number 2 about dropshipping includes a step-by-step explanation of what dropshipping is, 7 reasons why dropshipping is the best choice for your new online business, 6 situations to avoid that could hurt your business and keep you from getting the success you deserve, only to name a few. In book number 3 on affiliate marketing, you'll learn how to set up your affiliate marketing business using different methods, how to choose niches that will make money, 5 important places to put your partner links for marketing, how to set up a website that will bring in people and make money, as well as what not to do, and a lot more. Book 4, social media marketing is the last business plan that isn't always given enough attention. It explains the best way to build a loyal audience using Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Snapchat, and Pinterest. How to get a huge return on investment from your advertisements on Facebook. Looking at the best psychological tricks you can use to get people to buy your products and services. The formula you need to build your personal brand and become an influencer in your area and prove that you are good at interacting. The book has a real-world application that will teach you how to start building and making money from your own online businesses. Stop spending your time looking for other quick and easy ways to get rich and be successful, because we all know what will happen when you do that. Buy this book now, do what it says, and you'll finally get the results you've been hoping for. Amazon FBA, Dropshipping Shopify, Social Media, and Affiliate Marketing. The Online Business Bible by Stephen Sparrow is a complete guide to starting and growing an online business. The book has 5 parts, and each one is about a different part of doing business online. Part 1. Amazon FBA. Chapter 1. Introduction to Amazon FBA. This section gives an overview of Amazon FBA, fulfillment by Amazon, including the benefits of using the platform, how it works, and the different kinds of goods that can be sold on Amazon. Chapter 2. Setting up your Amazon FBA business. This part goes over the steps you need to take to set up an Amazon FBA business, such as creating an Amazon seller account, finding products to sell, and making sure your product listings are optimized for search. Chapter 3. Growing your Amazon FBA business. This part looks at the different ways to grow an Amazon FBA business, such as using Amazon ads, taking advantage of Amazon's customer review system, and going global. Part 2. Dropshipping Shopify. Chapter 4. How Dropshipping Shopify works. This part gives a general overview of dropshipping, including its pros and cons and how to set up a Shopify store. Chapter 5. Setting up your dropshipping Shopify store. This part goes over the steps you need to take to set up a dropshipping Shopify store, such as choosing a niche, choosing products, and making sure your store is set up to make sales. Chapter 6. Growing your Dropshipping Shopify Business. This part looks at the different ways to grow a dropshipping Shopify business, such as through social media marketing, email marketing, and search engine optimization. Part 3. Social media marketing. Chapter 7. An introduction to marketing on social media. This part gives an overview of social media marketing, including the different social media platforms, the benefits of social media marketing, and how to make a social media marketing plan. Chapter 8. Creating social media content. This part talks about the strategies and tactics you can use to make interesting content for social media, like how important stories are, how to make a content calendar, and how to use video. Chapter 9. Growing your social media following. This part talks about the different ways to grow your social media following, such as using social media advertising, working with other influencers, and using user-generated content. Part 4. Affiliate marketing. Chapter 10. How affiliate marketing works. This part gives an overview of affiliate marketing, including the different kinds of affiliate marketing, how it works, and the benefits of affiliate marketing. Chapter 11. Setting up your affiliate marketing business. This part talks about the different steps you need to take to set up an affiliate marketing business, such as choosing affiliate programs, making content, and making sure your website is set up to convert visitors into customers. Chapter 12. Growing your affiliate marketing business. This part talks about the different ways you can grow your affiliate marketing business, such as through email marketing, social media, and search engine optimization. Part 5. Conclusion. Chapter 13. Conclusion. This part wraps up the book by summarizing the main points and stressing how important it is to start and grow an online business with strategy and care. Sparrow uses real-world examples and case studies to show how the ideas and tactics he describes work in the real world. He also talks about how important it is to have a clear business plan, make content that is interesting and engaging, and keep improving and testing your online business tactics. The main goal of the book is to show people how to start and grow a great online business in a way that is easy to do. Thanks for watching our Amazon book review. If you found our review helpful and you're interested in checking it out for yourself, we've included a link to it in the description below. By clicking on that link, you'll not only get more details about it on Amazon, but also support our channel at no cost to you. So go ahead and click that link to grab your copy of the book and dive into an exciting reading journey. Happy reading, and thanks for your support.